Hey friends, welcome back to my channel on Farrell's Mad One, and this is Farrell. I'm super excited because I have got my new camera. New camera is Sony ZV-E10. I have ordered that camera from Dubai and my husband got it. He was traveling to India and to Dubai, so he has got few things from India and the camera from Dubai. So let me show you. So this is not a tech channel, but I would be showing you as a YouTuber how I have progressed. So before I start my unboxing journey, well, because we get only 23 kg of weight when we travel, so we get two luggages, so 23 kg, 23 kg. So my husband had to remove all the boxes and he has got things in a bag like this. So I would be showing you my camera and other things that he has got, which I wanted for my YouTube channel. But apart from that, now I'm filming from my GoPro. I've got this GoPro around 3 years back and it has treated me well. GoPro is more like an adventurous camera, which this camera treats really well. But I use this for my vlogging. It treated me well. There are few disadvantages of GoPro, that you cannot zoom in and zoom out. Apart from that, I have this small thing to hold my camera on this. So this works like this. I am using my iPhone. So whenever I have filming with my iPhone, we have to loosen this up first so that it stretches. This is how it's done. If I want to do a filming, so I can do something like this and I can show things around. If I want to do like on myself, so this is a great one. And here also I have this lights, if you can see the light. Hi, this is Farrell. So this is usually how I do it when I do it from my camera, from my phone. And when I'm not using my phone, I use my camera on a stand, or maybe I have this. Let me just close it down. So I have this GoPro, which can be used as a tripod if you want, whenever you want for a tripod. Usually now my GoPro is on a big tripod, but for a table tripod, this is the best thing you can do, and you can start filming. So now my actual camera. Because the boxes were very huge, as I mentioned, and it was not convenient to get all the boxes because of weight issues. I have ordered so many things. Let me just remove it one by one here so that it's easy for me to show you. So what I've all ordered is the camera, its stand, battery, extra batteries, and also ordered for a mic, a wireless mic. So this is how my things have come. So this is the camera. Yay! Sony ZV-E10. This is the camera. As you can see, look at this. It can turn around like this. So whenever I'm vlogging, I can use this display towards me. If someone else is doing it for me, like this, I can see myself on this little display. I haven't charged this because I was excited to first share it with you all. So I haven't charged any batteries, so I need to do it. So this is my camera, Sony ZV-E10 4K. This is how it looks. I'm super excited and I wanted to share this with you all, with my friends, with my fans, with my followers. And so I haven't charged. So this little thing over here is the scratch cards. As you can see, I've ordered for scratch cards because it's always good to protect your camera if any mishaps happen. So camera, protection guard, and this is the battery which I have got. So this is the battery which I've got with the camera. These are all the manuals, which I'll read it later if it's required. Now this one, okay. So this little guy is the stand. This is better. This is much more sturdier. With GoPro stand, this thing is very flimsy. So whenever I had a camera, I really had to balance, because now it's no camera, so it's okay. But when there is a camera on the top, the weight usually used to be so much that the camera used to drip. Let's go ahead. So here, this is the case. So I have ordered this small rig cage for my camera, so that my camera is protected and you can have a hold of the camera like this if you don't want to put on the stand. So when you put it on the stand, you have this one, but if you don't want the stand, you can hold it like this. Having a new camera is really fun, because not only it gives you pleasure that you have one more device in your basket, but also that you need to learn how to do it, and you figure out, okay, from where the settings do I change. So that will all come later on, but right now I am just excited for this thing, and I'm figuring out what goes where and how do I charge and what are the things I need to do to get started. This is the thing that I've kept for charging, and you can see the red light. That means that it is being charged. I know what is this. These are my Rode mics. But let me first finish with my camera thing. Let me just remove all this thing. It may be important. It may not be. I don't want any papers, but okay, I can save this thing, the little plastics. I have ordered for one camera lens, extra lens, and here is my lens. So to have a better quality, I ordered this lens, if you can see. These are all the manuals, which I don't think it's required for now. So now I have my camera, my cage. Here is the extra batteries, the case, lens, and here are a few more things in this bag. Again, more manuals. There are so many manuals. This is the Sony strap that I have got along with the camera, so that I can put it around my neck. This small thing over here. This is what it is. For now, this is not required. And before I lose it, I put it back into the bag. This is fur for the voice thingy, so that the voice doesn't muffle. So finally I could figure it out that this is how you're supposed to put this thing. So this is the part, and it goes here in this little jack, and here it is, and then you have to close the lid back. So as you can see, if you open the jack like this here, so this is the thing where you can charge it. So HDMI cable, USB cable, and here is the headphone thing. On the other side, so at the bottom here, when you unlock it, you open it. As you can see, there is a small space here, and you put your SD card there. So you put the battery inside. So when you put your battery inside, you will get a click noise. and now you close it, and then it's closed. So I'm really excited to upgrade myself. First I had this mic of Lenso. I used this for almost 1.5 to 2 years, and now I have upgraded with Rhodes. And to be very honest, the good quality mic you have, better your videos would be. So this is one tip that every influencers or every content creator would give you. So friends, now it's time for me to show you my mic. This is a small case, and here are my Rode mics, if you can see. One, two, and three. So, which means that 2 are the transmitters and 1 is the receiver. So this is the mic charging case. Look at this. So it has the charging port, and if you open it, here is the thing. If you can see the small, here the USB port. You have to put it like this so that it gets charging. You can see the blue light flashing. That means it's being charged. It's being charged. So no more messy cords or tangles, and this is Rhodes charging case for clutter-free charging experience. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this short video about my new Sony ZV-E10 camera. I'm really excited for my new gadgets, for my camera and for my mic, and hope that you would see better quality, better sound in my upcoming videos. So friends, if you want to see my whole video setup, my studio setup, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would be making a video where I would be showing you how I set up my studio when I'm filming. So if you want to see, comment me in the comment section down below. See you next week.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave.